Traders, I wanted to give you a brief video on our new info center. It's a phenomenal product for any trader, especially ProAct traders, but with anybody in the world, there are certain things that you have to look at every day, and this app has them in them. And by the way, as we go along, we'll be adding more things to it. But I wanted to give you a quick video of how it looks, okay? So it looks like this, and it'll, by the way, it'll fit on your, it's on my desktop here, but it also goes on my iPhone and Android. It'll go on a Kindle, it'll go on a Surface Pro, it'll go on an iPad, anything. It loads on anything, and it's very, very fast, all right? So if you look here, you see this little thing, this little hand that says stop. Why? Because there's an alert. All right, so if you're a subscriber to our alert system, then you just click here and it'll show you the alerts. Okay, so for instance, let's just look at this pound New Zealand. So I just sent them out. All right, so it's how it looks for. It's a buy on the pound New Zealand, and it's a buy at 2.050. So let me point that 2.050 right there. So traders should already probably be in it right now. The stop price is 25.03 down here, and limit is 2070 right up there. All right, after a break, hook and go. So you don't have the break, hook and go. You're in a break, wait for the hook and then the go, and there's the trade right there. So I usually send 4 out a day, so it's pretty cool. That's all there is to it, but you have to be a subscriber for that. But let me take a look at the free stuff first of all, okay? So every day you need to check the fundies. When are the fundies going to happen? All right, fundies are fundamental announcements. You click there, one click takes you right here to the fundies for today, right? And there you go. I want to check the options, okay? Options are important in the Forex, and here they are. You just click up here and you open them up, and right there, and they'll tell you what the options are, what levels they are, and how big they are. All right, so there's a $1.4 billion option today on this euro dollar. So that's pretty important, all right? Also, 4 days a week plus on the weekend, I do a blog, and this is today's blog, which was this sell on the currency. And let me just kind of make that little here. All right, so you go to the blog, and it's right there. You can see it. All right, there's a picture of what I'm thinking was going to happen, tell you why that's going to happen. You can check that every day. No charge for that. Everybody needs to know their correlations. So there's one built right in here. You just pick it up. And if you don't know your correlations, this will help you get used to them. Right there they are. And back to the home page. Okay. And you want to see the, hold on down here, risk for reward. What you have, what levels do you have to trade at in order to be successful, right? So you have, as long as you're looking for a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio, you only break even if you win 50% and lose 50%. Now we're never looking to that. We're looking for 1-to-2, 1-to-3, 2-to-1, 3-to-1, 4-to-1, and 5-to-1. All right, so just take 2-to-1 right there. We can be profitable at 40%. In other words, we can lose 60% of our trades and still be profitable, right? So back to the home page. All right, now those are all free. Also, there's a risk calculator here. Put in your account size, 2%, never more than 2%. And if you want to trade a micro, it'll tell you if you're trading the Euro Aussie, you can trade 18 micros. Okay. Well, could I trade a mini? All right. So I'll go click on mini up there, and you can only trade 1.8. All right, so it tells you right there. Oh, I'd like to see the quotes. All right, so here's what the value of each of those is worth. Right there, quick access, all in one little tool. This is a cool little tool, folks. All right, there we go. And back to the center here, okay. And meetings, okay, ATR, let's talk about the ATR, all right? So the ATR is here. If you are a subscriber at ProAct, you get this automatically, but you can also get it if you're not. It's a very low price to get it daily. It's a lot of work for us to fill this in every day, so we do charge about $1 a day for it. But you can see that we use the 14-day, and in that pound New Zealand, for instance, okay? How do I know where that target is? Okay, well, that target has 165 pip ATR. That's what it typically goes every day, 120, 165 pips. You can see that right here. As we go over here, and I'll put on the top of here and going down for 165 pips. And there we go. And 165, where did it go? 165 pips yesterday. See that right there? I mean, that's what it does. So you need to know that number because that becomes a target. All right. Is that worth $1 a day? I think so, but you never know. Let me make this full size here. So now you can see it scrolls out as big as you want it to be on your desktop. Okay. So then we got back to the center here, and you can go down to the bottom here and you can see there are meetings. All right. So if you want to take a demo, this gives you the access into that room. Okay. We do an Outlook on Monday night, a weekly Outlook. If you wanted to join that and you were a demo trader or a subscriber, this would be open to you, and you can click to join the meeting, and it automatically goes to that page, and there's the password to get in, right? So that's on everything right there. And then you got must-see videos down here. So these always change. They're changing all the time. And let's see if they pull up. Here we go. So here's 3 reasons to be a Forex trader. That's me. How much you're willing to risk to see if you're right. Here's a short video to help you trade better. The pullback is your friend. It's not your enemy. I keep losing. The market keeps going against me. There's a video there you can watch. It's all free. They'll always be there. Here's how to trade the pole. The pole is the #1 trade you need to learn as a beginner. It's going to always be there. Here's a live trade that we did a couple of weeks ago. We don't get very many live trades that finish in our session. We trade the New York. They start in the New York, but they don't finish typically in the New York. So we actually had one that finished. So I was able to edit it from 90 minutes down to just 13 minutes, and you can see how we press our winners, how we move our stops, where are the levels, how do we get them, all that sort of stuff right there, and how to use that ATR. Okay, it's right down there. All right, so this is all included. All right, you can also share this. Okay, you get it, and you go, oh man, I'd like to share that. Okay, so you can come down here and share this off. You share it like that, and it's going to pull up a little email that you can just forward to your buddy. That's all you got to do. It'll pull up here in just a second. Here we go. All right. So it's let me make this small here. Okay, so it already is pre-written for you. There's the link to download it. Here's a 45-second video to show how to install it on your mobile devices as well as your computer. It's only 45 seconds, and it'll show you how to do it. And it uses your email, so whatever your ending is, it uses yours. So everybody knows it came from you to whoever you want to send it to. All right, there you go. So is it a cool thing? Yes. All right. It's an amazing little product, and we're going to constantly be adding more and more stuff to it as we go along. But it is available now, and from time to time we'll have specials in here. For instance, right now there's 30% off on our price action. All you have to do is click that, and you go to price action, and when a sale ends like that, and you can click there and you can go read all about it right there. Here's price action, and there's a video there you can watch, and there you go. So there we go. So anyway, you want to get this app. It's free, costs nothing. There's lots of tools in here, costs nothing. They're free and included. And of course, if you decide at some later date that you want to come in and take a demo, you can do it from here. You can also subscribe, and then a lot of things open up to you once you're a subscriber and you're actually in the ProAct family. So don't forget, this is our first version of it. There will be more as we add more and more things to it. And so coming soon, coming soon. All right. So there you go. Hope that helps you. Love to see you get this downloaded and start using it. It'll help you every single day. It gathers the information a trader is supposed to get every day, but most traders do not. So hope that helps you. Talk to you soon. Hope to see you in our live room. It's free. Come on and take a demo. All right. Bye.